During the campaign rally in Amuria District, the Forum for Democratic Change presidential candidate Nandala Mafabi pledged that his government would fully compensate the families of the Arab boys who lost lives, properties, and were permanently injured during the conflict.
If you lost 10 cows, they will compute how many will be now the cows. And that's the number you will multiply with the current market price of cows, so that you are better off. We need you to be better in your standards.
Mafabi assured the voters that under his leadership, many people would be lifted out of poverty. He also promised to bring positive change to the cotton market.
They still look for gold world over. Because this government does not like you, it says gold is cotton, it has no market. These shirts and dresses we are putting on, they have cotton. And that means when the cotton you grow would be bought. And the price of cotton shirts or dresses is more expensive than it. So that's why I come here, that the only government which will bring you out of poverty is Nandala's government.
He pledged to bring change to the education system, noting that the recent strike by the art teachers had negatively affected the students' learning.
Private schools closed, so those who were working while others were not studying. So when they bring exams, are there those for government schools and those for private schools? So if it is not, what are you thinking about yourself? That's why we come here and say, enough is enough.
Many of the families to this day remain in poverty, having received little to no government assistance. Some aspiring leaders voice concerns about the challenges that continue to affect them, particularly in the area of health.
We don't have a health center completely. It is affecting the mother. When you're giving birth, you have to look for transport from Ogwalo up to Luala Hospital. The distance could be around 20 kilometers.
The Forum for Democratic Change reiterated its commitment that during Mafabi's leadership, justice and fairness would prevail.
Become national state. Are going to become a